Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to change Instagram account password. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So once you enter into your Instagram, please enter into your Instagram profile, and then at the top right corner, 3 line icon, enter into that, and again enter into the account center and following password and security. Once you enter the password and security, you may see the change password. You can directly enter into the change password and then your account username. Over here you can enter your current password and set a new password. If you in case you forgot your current password, in the sense, please click the forgot your password at the bottom. And now I'm just changing my password. I'm just showing you how to change, like, so click the forgot password. It will send the reset code to your mobile number. So that's it guys. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.